can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the king of the altcoin market, Ethereum. Currently trading above $2,245. Ethereum is having a wonderful week, currently up 17% in the last 24 hours, currently up 22% over the last 1 week, and the last 1 month, Ethereum has seen a 52% increase. How high can we pump in the coming days and the coming weeks? Are we going to get to that $3,000 level? Ethereum is finally breaking out. Is $3,000 next? We'll look at Ethereum's valuation against the US dollar, Ethereum's valuation against Bitcoin, and also look at Ethereum's market cap. How high can we go in the coming days and the coming weeks, as we'll be expecting extreme growth in the cryptocurrency market? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. The altcoin market is bubbling. Good times returning back to the cryptocurrency market. Ethereum, the king of all coins, has rallied above $2,200. Market cap reaching over $270 billion. The million-dollar question is, how high can we go? How long can this rally last? We've stayed pumping since the 9th of April 2025. Right now, 30 days in, we're having a very nice time. We saw Ethereum bottoming on the 9th of April 2025 around the $1,400 level. But since then, if you bought the bottom, if you bought the dip when there was extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market, you are up a whopping 59%. Ethereum has rallied up by 59% in the last 31 days. We expect it to get to at least $3,000. That have been our long-term target on this channel. We talked about Ethereum having a 702 retracement. Since when it was down in Goblin Town, a $3,000 Ethereum is very possible. You see how we quickly rallied by almost 20% in 24 hours. I will not be shocked if Ethereum continue with that momentum to the upside. But my best case scenario for Ethereum will be that $3,200. A lot of market participants right now are sidelined. They didn't buy the bottom. They didn't buy Ethereum below $2,000. I will not be shocked to see a lot of FOMO in the coming days and the coming weeks. And from where we're currently trading, Ethereum could easily still rally an additional 47% towards that $3,200. History has shown us over time that Ethereum usually catches up to Bitcoin at the ending portion of the cycle. I don't think this time is different. When Ethereum is pumping, the rest of the altcoin market is also having a new good time. Meme coins on Ethereum are pumping, projects on Ethereum are pumping. Ethereum is the biggest altcoin we have, and when Ethereum is having a good time, expect the rest of the altcoin in the market to have a good time. Now, so we're pumping to higher prices. We might find some difficulties along the way. It's not going to be a smooth ride. Hopefully to be a smooth ride, but let's watch out for some resistance around $2,400, around $2,700. And when we get to $3,000, that will be the telltale sign that Ethereum is out from that dump in Goblin Town. That will be the telltale sign the market participants are ready for higher prices. But don't forget, guys, we're targeting that $3,200 level. You want to buy low, you want to sell high. I personally believe the bull market is over. I believe we're in a bear market rally, and those bear market rallies can be very aggressive. They can be very volatile. They can be very explosive to the upside. This time last month, there was extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market. The fear and greed index told us we had a factor of 18. Right now, there's greed in the market. I will not be shocked over the next few days if we see extreme greed return back to the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin has gone over $100,000. Ethereum has rallied over $2,000. If you take a look at what has been happening over the last 3 months in the crypto fear and greed index, you can see that sentiment is slowly improving over time. And the next few days, we might see sentiment levels get extreme. Ethereum price finally breaking out. Data suggests is $3,000 next. Ethereum price breaks out due to strengthening network activity and increasing TLV as technical setup points to further upside. Ethereum breaks multi-month downtrends as traders target $3,000. TVL surges by 41% to 52 billion in 30 days. That's a 22% increase in daily transactions to up to 1.34 million transactions, signaling a strong network recovery. And technicals show Ethereum price face major resistance at $2,100 to the $2,800 level. The pump is very volatile, the pump is very explosive, and right now we're piercing through all those price levels with ease. I will not be shocked in the next few days we see more pumps in Ethereum. I will not be shocked in the next few days we see market participants FOMOing back to Ethereum. Ethereum has surged following the Pectra hard fork, with analysts suggesting a growing number of long positions could signal a turnaround for the asset. And if you take a look at Ethereum's valuation against Bitcoin, Ethereum is quietly gaining against Bitcoin. Even though the crowd has not caught up to the trend, Ethereum has had its biggest move against Bitcoin over the last 30 days in a while. Ethereum is up by more than 21% against Bitcoin. In the coming days and the coming weeks, I expect to see capital flow from Bitcoin to Ethereum. I expect to see Ethereum valuation against Bitcoin increasing. As Bitcoin dominance dump, expect Ethereum dominance to increase. Expect Ethereum's valuation against Bitcoin to also increase. Ethereum has underperformed Bitcoin since 2021. If you held Bitcoin in 2021 and you held Ethereum in 2021, right now you're still down bad. You're still down by 74%. At the bottom of the cycle, you are down around 78%. Ethereum was down 78% against Bitcoin. But Ethereum is not going to go down forever, and I believe the pump is here. I believe right now is the time for Ethereum to shine. And in the coming days and coming weeks, I'll be expecting Ethereum valuation against Bitcoin to get to as high as 0.033, maybe even get to as high as 0.41 level. That'll be Ethereum going back to where it was valued against Bitcoin in December of 2024. Look at Ethereum's market cap, it currently sits around $270 billion. The highest we've seen Ethereum market cap go in the last 365 days has been the $492 billion level. That was when Ethereum was trading around the $4,100 level. Places to watch out for: the $350 billion level will be very, very interesting to see. Ethereum might face a lot of difficulties there, but my maximum scenario for Ethereum, that's the 702 retracement for Ethereum, will come around that $420 billion level. And the way the market is volatile right now, we could easily get there very, very quickly. Guys, drop it out in the comment section. How high do you see Ethereum pumping in the coming days and the coming weeks? Do you believe we're going to pump to new all-time highs? Do you believe Ethereum could even get $4,000 in this market cycle? I've had talks of Ethereum getting to $5,000, $10,000. I'm very, very optimistic on the cryptocurrency market, but I believe we are due a huge correction. And these bear market rallies, they can be very, very crazy. These bear market rallies can confuse you. So my own target will be that $3,200 level. Drop a target in the comment section. Where will you be selling for some sweet, sweet profit? Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more. Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.